Hey guys, this is Danny at blowoutcards.com and you're watching Blowout TV's live video box breaks. We're live on Blog TV right now and about to do two boxes of 2011 Topps Chrome Football. This is brand new, live and in stock on blowoutcards.com. This is for Kurt V. Alright Kurt, good luck. Two boxes, brand new Topps Chrome. We're doing a full case today. Here we go. 24 packs per box. Let's go. Pack number one for Kurt. Corey Luget, refractor. John Baldwin, Jonathan Todman. Daniel Thomas, Von Miller, rookies. Bruce Carter, Cedric Benson, refractor, Tom Brady. Martez, Torrey Smith, insert. Looking for one rookie auto in every box. Evan Royster. Here we go. Alex Green, on-card auto. Packers. This one's not numbered. Alright. Next up, we got a Nick Fairley, refractor, Tim Tebow. Got a Ryan Williams, Bowman Chrome. Ooh, Andy Dalton, number 10 of 99. Refractor, finest freshmans. Next up, we got a Larry Fitzgerald, refractor. Kaepernick, Mike Vick. Alright, halfway through the first box. Dion Lewis, Atomic. This one's numbered to 139. I like the way these look. They just pop right at you. Alright, pack number 13. Kendall Hunter, refractor. Mike LaShore, Gabbert, Randall Cobb. Ooh, here we go. Black refractor, Cameron Jordan. This one's numbered to 299. V. Johnson, refractor. Julio Jones, finest freshman. Base. Niles Paul, refractor. Sam Bradford, base. Matt Castle, base. Got an Andy Dalton, Bowman Chrome. We got 4 packs left here. Ryan Kerrigan. We got a Bruce Carter, rookie variation. These are numbered to 99. 36 of 99. Those are nice looking cards. AJ Green, Tony Gonzalez, refractor. 2 packs left in the first box for Kurt V. Ryan Mallett. I like you, Kurt. You're always participating in all the Blowout TVs. Thank you very much. Alright, that was the first box, man. Here we go. Second box. Let's move these over to the side. 24 packs. Pack number 1 of box number 2. Ryan Williams, Bowman Chrome. Greg McElroy, numbered to 99, rookie variation. Julius Peppers, refractor. Stephen Ridley, finest freshman. Taiwan Jones Atomic Refractor. This one's numbered to 139. Jarrell Jernigan Rookie Refractor. Martez Wilson Refractor Rookie. Marcel Darius Bowman Chrome Rookie. AJ Green Rookie. Tons of rookies in this product. Jack Tweez, Patrick Willis Refractor. Kyle Rudolph, Jarrell Jernigan, Mike LaShore, Julio Jones die cut rookie. Guys, this is like the hottest product out right now. This stuff is red hot. Ronald Johnson Refractor. Stuff has been selling all day on the website. Blaine Gabbert. Ricky Stanzi, Black Refractor Rookie, numbered to 299. This one's 91 of 299. We got like maybe 8 or 9 packs left. Here, box number 2. Deion Branch. That's a nice looking card. It's like a snowy background. I guess that was like one of those snowy games against the Bears. Leonard Hankerson, finest freshman. I think we got like 7 packs left. Here we go. Here we go. Leonard Hankerson, rookie auto. On card. Matt Castle, Jermichael Finley. Evan Royster, rookie auto. Or, I'm sorry, rookie refractor. Christian Ponder. Ooh, Marvin Austin, rookie blue refractor, number to 199. Marshawn Lynch refractor. 2 packs left for Kurt V. AJ Green. And last packs for Kurt. Good luck. DeMarco Murray rookie. Alright, well thanks a lot, Kurt. Be sure to check out this box break and many more like it on the Blowout Cards message board forums. Take care.